Hi everyone, my name is Crystal and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting to dye my hair red using Cream of Nature. This is their Intensive Red 7.6 from their Exotic Shine color with argan oil from Morocco color line or whatever. I got 2 boxes because I do have a lot of hair, so we'll just see if I end up using both of them. Never done anything like this before, never attempted to color my hair or use box dye or anything like that. So I'm very excited to see how the color turns out because I do have pretty dark hair. I've sectioned off my hair to make it easier to apply the dye evenly. I want to keep the roots dark, so that's why I've sectioned it this way. In the box there's a developer, the hair dye, a packet of deep conditioner, and some argan oil. There's also instructions and gloves. So I just mixed the dye and the developer together in the bottle until it turned to this color. I started at the ends and kind of just worked my way up the section, working it in as thoroughly as I could. Once I was done with that section, I would just twist it up and move on to the next section until my whole head was done. Okay, so I only ended up using 1 box of dye. It turned out to be more than enough. And I just applied it to all of the sections and then I twisted it up, made sure it was all evenly distributed. And then I put on a plastic bag and then I tied my scarf over it and I let it sit for an hour. And now that the hour is up, I'm gonna go rinse it out and we'll see what it looks like. So I just rinsed it out and this is what we've got. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It looks more brown than red, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. And I think as the days go by, the color might develop a little more. I will say though, my hair feels really soft. Like, it's very soft. It doesn't feel dry or stripped or anything. And I'm kind of surprised because I know that dye tends to dry out your hair, but my hair feels so soft. So I guess I gotta give Cream of Nature props, you know, like, it's really not a bad dye at all. and it had so much slip when I was applying it to my hair. I could detangle, I could finger detangle while I was applying the dye to my hair. So that was really cool. I'm actually quite impressed. I'm quite happy with everything, to be honest. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm just gonna continue with my regular wash day routine, shampoo, deep conditioner, and all of that stuff. And then I'll come back when I have the final results. So I'm back, and it is a week later, and I did re-dye my hair using the second box of dye, and this is the final result. I am in love with my results, and I'm so happy that I decided to give it a try. I will say though, the instructions said to leave the dye in for 30 minutes uncovered, but what I did was that I did cover my hair with a plastic cap, and then I tied my satin scarf on, as you saw, and I left it in for an hour. So those changes might have caused me to get a different result than if I had followed the instructions. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video.